Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create start and stop button animation. Open ActionScript 2.0 and first create two layers here. Layer 1 for animation and layer 2 for button. Okay, first let's create the animation. Let's create the rectangle tool first. You can change color from here. Okay, and click any frame, right click, insert keyframe, and let's create classic twin only. Yeah, now select any frame, choose selection tool and reposition the rectangle. Okay, and let's create one button here. Rectangle tool, change the color for button. I am creating it here. Text in white. I should change the size 15 and start. Select it and position it here on inside button. Now select both the things, press F8 to convert to symbol and change it to button. Write the name start. Okay, and in this animation frame, in the animation layer, click on frame number 1, press F9 or go to window and choose actions. Write stop here for stopping animation and also write stop here for stopping animation. Okay, now window and action on, press, go to and play. I think P is capital here. Go to and play from frame number 2. Okay, semicolon and close it. Now let's check the movie. Control enter for testing it. Okay, it stopped here. Now I'm going to click here. This is the button actually. Oh, I didn't on press. When if we will click on this button, then go to and play from frame number 2. Okay, this is for button. control enter for testing the movie. Yeah, this is it. Okay.